The euro currency continued lower on Monday on what was a crazy overnight, which sort of resolved itself in the morning when talk of trade sort of got more positive after seeing a very, very uncertain, crazy trade overnight. And when we see the euro trading down around 111, targeting 110, which would be its next support level, we start to see expectations in those puts where we've seen all those puts being bought over the last, call it 6 months. We've gotten to that point. Now we're at expectations. So we're starting to see some put open interest build down below 109. That would tell me that expectations are rolling down even lower, despite the fact that we may get some kind of ECB announcement. We may get some kind of global economic turnaround. We may get some kind of Brexit resolution. All those things are maybes, but certainly none of it is helping the euro currency at this point. Expectations continue to push for a lower trade as opposed to a bounce higher. And really the only thing that's been saving the euro currency as of late has been a short cover rally. And going back to May of 2018, last time we saw the euro currency trade north of its 200-day moving average was in June of this year, really on one small trade. So it's really been a long time since we've seen a surprise uptrade. Expectations continue to build and move lower towards the 106 level that is not traded in a long time. And if you look at what the ECB might do at their next meeting, they're going to introduce some kind of new stimulus. And if you look back over the last several years, that's all they've been doing. And it really hasn't helped the economy. And obviously the euro currency is the best indicator of what the ECB is doing. And as that continues to go down, it's just because they continue to flood the market with stimulus, how they can't lower rates any lower than they already are. If you look at their bond yields trading negative, even junk bonds are trading negative in Europe now, being the fact that the buyer of last resort, being the ECB, continues to add more to their portfolio, and that is continuing to push the euro currency lower as well. So you've got, not only do you have momentum from a technical perspective, you've got fundamentals really building heavily to the downside. And if you look at Brexit, there's no resolution there. So again, the confidence isn't there in either the UK or the EU. The euro currency will continue to go lower. I see no reason why it would go up other than if someone was looking to close out a short position and maybe move somewhere else if they saw the downside objectives were met. Like we're getting close to 110. That is the key level. If we get through that and maybe get down closer to 106, you're going to see more buyers down there. But again, this isn't because they're afraid of it going higher. Maybe they're looking for other ways, other areas to push their money. So right now, the bearish trend continues lower. We've gotten to our expectations near 110. We're not through them yet, but they're starting to build down around the 106 level, and that means that the market is likely eyeing that as the next support for the euro currency in a post-Brexit world.